if the speakers of your iPhone are not working properly and if you're facing sound issues after the iOS 26 update. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just check the speakers of your iPhone and check if they are blocked by any dust or debris. If they're blocked by any dust or debris, just clean them using a soft brush. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next step. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just check if your iPhone is on silent mode. If your iPhone is on silent mode, just disable it, as you will not receive notification sounds and all the system sounds will be disabled if you enable this feature. So make sure you disable it. And if you cannot find this icon over here, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Sounds and Haptics, and over here, if silent mode is enabled, just disable it. And if you're using an old iPhone which has a silent switch, just flip the switch so you do not see the red icon. If you see the red icon, this means that silent mode is enabled. Now, since I'm using a newer iPhone, I have the action button instead of the silent switch. Now just press and hold the silent button to disable silent mode, just like that. Now after you've done that, now under the sounds and haptic settings, just make sure you increase the slider for ringtones and alerts. Because when the slider is disabled or if it is on low, your ringtones, your alerts volume, and even your alarms volume will be disabled. So make sure you increase the slider. And also just open the control center and also increase the slider for the media volume. Now if you have done that and if this did not work, then in settings just go back to the main settings page and tap on Bluetooth. Now if Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone, just disable this toggle and turn it off. Because sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone might connect to an external speaker or to your Bluetooth headphones, and this is why sound might not be coming out of your iPhone speakers. So make sure you disable Bluetooth and check if this fixes your issue or not. If this also did not work, then just go to your home screen and do a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this also did not work, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as a software update might fix any software glitch in your iOS version. But if this also did not work, then the last thing you can do is just go back and under the General settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now, by resetting all the settings of your iPhone, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the sound problems after the iOS 26 update on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.